How to fix Huawei Nova 13 is not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable will work properly or not. If it doesn't work, then update your charger and cable, and after that restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.